Hi, my name is Karin Kozlowski, and I'm going to be preparing a recipe for you today. It's the Zesty bean dip that's suggested in the Make a Change lesson. I've gone ahead and prepped all the ingredients. I've got the onion chopped, salsa measured, and cilantro, and I have the refried beans. Something I'd like to say about cilantro, it's not everyone's cup of tea. It's either you love it or you hate it. However, if you've decided you already know that you don't like cilantro, you can omit it. It's optional in the recipe. And by the way, you'll find your recipe in your packet. All right, and what I'm going to do now is just very simply add all the ingredients. You're going to be amazed at how easy and how fast this is. This makes a wonderful snack. Could it be any easier than this? Just mix all the ingredients. Our Make a Change lesson focused on reducing the amount of fat, sugar, and salt in our diets. And this particular recipe is very low in fat, very low in sugar, and very low in salt. And that's why I've selected it. You and I know that many of the snack foods that we typically eat are high in fat, sugar, and salt. And if we want to reduce the risk of heart disease, cancer, and diabetes, then we need to reduce our intake of salt, sugar, and fat. And that's why this is a very, very good recipe. Now, I always tell my classes, recipes are guidelines. So you might want to be creative and make this recipe your own. If you like green onions, you could add green onions. If you like jalapeno peppers, you could do that. Red peppers you could add. Any particular item that you really like, you can add to this. So make the recipe your own. Now, while this makes a great snack, I can also say, because I've tried it myself, I've made a meal of this by putting it on my baked potato, and it was really good that way too. So I hope you've enjoyed this video and that you'll try this recipe. Thank you for being with me today.